A school day starts long before the first bell. Routes shift, students board, parents need answers, dispatchers need clarity, and every bus has to stay ready for the next run. BusBoss brings the full transportation picture into one connected suite. ROUTEpatrol Web helps build smarter routes across the district map, turning scattered stops into efficient daily plans. With tablet navigation using the ROUTEpatrol tablet app, LiveSync brings all of your student data into one central hub, ensuring accurate and up-to-date enrollment information. STUDENTpatrol supports student ridership tracking, so teams can see who is assigned, who boarded, and where accountability begins. PARENTpatrol helps keep families informed, with bus location and arrival notifications. DISPATCHpatrol gives transportation teams a live operational view, so driver absence and bus breakdown issues can be managed quickly and confidently, without affecting your day-to-day routes. TRIPpatrol supports route progress tracking from start to finish, with integrated route deviation alerts. Coming soon, JOURNEYpatrol will help organize field trips beyond the regular route. And FleetPatrol will help maintenance teams monitor vehicle readiness. From morning pickup to afternoon operations, BusBoss helps districts move with less chaos and more control. Choose BusBoss for connected school transportation management. Visit busboss.com for more information.